Hi, I'm Jess. I hope wherever you are staying warm. Today I am going to unbox and set up with you the Liene Pixcut S1 photo sticker printer and cutter. I have been waiting for this for what feels like forever. I did purchase it while it was on Kickstarter, though it's now very much everywhere, and just came in, so let's go ahead and unbox it. So this here is the box for the machine itself, and then I did order a separate set of sticker paper. This has 72 sticker sheets inside that are 4x7, along with an extra ink cartridge, I believe. So what I was most excited about this was just the ability to, print and cut stickers with such a small footprint. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Okay, so here's everything that's inside the box. You, of course, have your manual, which you're going to use to help yourself get set up, and that QR code for the app, your charging cord, your accessories kit, which includes a printer cartridge, 18 sticker sheets, and 18 photo sheets. Then here we've, of course, got our machine that is nice and securely wrapped up. So we're going to go ahead, take this plastic off, and then remove all of those stickers. All right, so this sticker here is a little tricky. I can see that it is taped up here as well. So I found that just kind of pulling on that gets this out. I'm going to take this sticker off. We've got another sticker here. And I'm going to slip this back in. Alright, so it looks like all of the stickers have been removed. Here you can see there's a USB-C port. I'm not sure what that's for, being that this is all wireless. Maybe one day it will connect to the computer. Here's your charging port. Again, I'm unboxing this with you. I have no idea what's going on. And then this here is magneted on. You can see there's a sort of feed slot here that this just pulls right off. And then you've got your little cutter knife there. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm going to plug it in. And check out the manual. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up this accessory kit that came with the printer. This was in the big box with the printer itself. And in here we've got paper, we have photo paper, sticker paper, and our ink cartridge. Now this here I discovered by looking at the manual. This is the ink cartridge slot here. So you just slide that out. Alright, so we want to make sure we get this in here correctly. And it just says insert new ink cartridge until the lock is in place. So you've got two sides here. This side is just open. This side sort of has this V-shaped bump out here. I think this is the one that's going to be on the outside. And so there's definitely a little white lock here, yellow lock that's seems like it's needing to snap in place, and it looks like it's now there. So I'm gonna close that up. All right, now we're gonna go to loading the paper. This is the paper cassette here. So this here is gonna be pulled out. This is what I pulled out with the sticker. This is the paper cassette. My understanding. Alright, so this here is going to open. So it's like this. We've got this little ramp here, and we're going to open up our paper. Okay, so I'm going to start with the sticker paper, and the sticker paper is 4x7. I also want to just show you inside the cassette here, there's this little lever that if you push it up, and put your paper in, it gives you enough space for a 4x7, whereas if you keep it down, your paper will go to right here, and that's what you'll use for your 4x6 paper, which is the photo paper. It then says to load the photo paper in the cassette with the glossy side up. So you have a glossy side, and then you have a printed side, which is the back. So I'm gonna lift this up, and then just kind of try to keep that in place while I put in my paper. And close it. All right, so once that is there, I'm going to insert the paper cassette into the cutter just up here and snap that in place. Really easy. All right, then we're going to open. All right, so we're plugged in. And here we've got to go ahead and download the Liene Print and Cut photo app. So I'm going to grab my phone. You do have to use this on a phone, from my understanding so far. That's the only way. iPads aren't an option yet, from my understanding again as well, but you do need to connect via your phone. So we're going to connect. I'm going to get this app, and I actually do have it because I have the little small one. Just going to record my screen here so I can share it up on the screen. All right, so I am going to add a printer. And it gives me the option, of course, for the Pixcut S1, which is this, and tells me to power on my printer. Hold it for 3 seconds. Okay. My printer's turned on. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect the printer. It says to go to System Settings and allow it to connect through Bluetooth. And it looks like that's connected. So I'm going to go back to the app. All right, now in the app, you have a ton of different options to choose from if you wanted to pick something of theirs. For stickers, you can do sticker sheets or single stickers. I'm going to try starting with a canvas and see if I can print a picture onto a sticker. So I'm just going to pick a random sticker. I would imagine that this is not the best picture, but it says AI remove background. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that background and let that do its thing. And we'll see how that turns out. All right, so the background was removed pretty well. I'm going to just get rid of this arm here because it's going to be a bit awkward for a sticker. And I'm also going to get rid of this water bottle here. This is very much like Canva. When you're removing backgrounds, you can do like the magic edit, but you can also do your own touch-up if needed. All right, so I think I am good with that. I'm actually gonna bring this in since it's there. This is my leg. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to print it. Or we're gonna make it. All right, so I know my paper is 5 by 7. Maybe I'll try to do a few here. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to get another picture. Let's try this one. This feels like it could be a little complex. There's a lot going on in here, but we'll see how it works. And then I'll also give their templates a try, but I thought it would be neat to try these first. I feel like this kind of needs to be a little bit bigger with how much is there. And I'll do my business card just because it's there and easy. I think I'm just going to go with that to test this out. And I'm going to click make it. It is just checking my cuts. Those look a little close, so I'm going to go back a little bit. It looks like I missed a little spot that needed to be erased. I'm going to go to make it. Looks good for me. Please insert the correct paper size, otherwise it will affect the cutting device. Got it. All right, so pretty easy. Let's see how long this takes. It's 8:34 right now. I'm curious to see. So this says pink and purple lights means that it's printing. Blue and green lights mean that it's cutting. It's telling me that my paper cassette is not installed. So let's see. Showing me the bottom. I'm not sure why. So I'm going to watch this help video. Oh, all right. So not sure why that's there for part. So when you put this in, this needs to go in the bottom. All right. So it's telling me that it's printing yellow first, which it is. Now it says that it's laminating. And here's the cutting. Came out back. Let's turn this around. Here is the sheet. You can see those cuts there. Now, it does cut through the paper, from my understanding. Maybe not all the way through. You can see it on the back, but it is kind of more of a kiss cut. Yeah, so you've got a clear backing there. Print quality is really good. Curious to see how the stickers last. Right, so super excited about this. Looking forward to share some different ideas. So I did go ahead and also print out these favor labels for my son and niece's First Holy Communion coming up. I created these in Canva, pulled them into the Liene app, and then was able to just duplicate them throughout. I, of course, missed out. I could have put 2 more on here, but I just wanted to show how that worked as well. This was super easy to do if you're familiar with Canva. Pretty much anything you can create in there, you can bring into the Liene app, and it seems you can print onto stickers, which I love. And then it, of course, printed, you know, the circle right around whatever your image is. Again, I'm really excited about this so far. I'm super impressed with how easy it was to get set up and the quality of the materials that are being printed. Again, we'll see how they stick on things over time. If you are interested in checking it out, definitely head to the the description for the link. And if there's anything specific that you want to see or questions about, let me know and I will try to check it out for you. Have a great day and be sure to subscribe for some more updates on the product.